Okay, in this lesson we're going to learn how to add fullness at the bottom of the sleeve, also known as a bishop sleeve. And then we'll take that and turn it into a short sleeve, then we'll do a bell sleeve, and so on.
The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. Roll it! Okay, so what if we wanted to add fullness at the bottom of the sleeve? Instead of the cap, adding fullness at the wrist level. What do we do? So again, we would start by tracing our sloper onto another piece of dotted paper, right? You would cut the pattern out. Okay, we've cut the pattern out, and just like in the previous sleeve, we've created some slash lines, but this time, instead of going from the cap down to the wrist level, we're going in the opposite direction. We're going to slash from the bottom, going to the cap. We're going to slash on all these slash lines. There's 5 in this case, and we're going to leave just a little bit of paper attached at the cap area. So we'll do all these slash lines just like that. So we have slashed, and we're spreading our pattern to add fullness at the bottom. And you can add a little bit of fullness or make it a very wide sleeve. It's really up to you. And then we'll put a piece of paper underneath. And like we always do with our slash and spread technique, we put some Scotch tape to hold our pieces in place. And we're going to use our hip curve, smooth curve, and that'll be our new wrist level. Now, do you remember our cuff? Well, if we gather this fabric into the cuff, if we gather the fabric to fit into a cuff, right? It surely gathers. It'll look like this, which is also known as a bishop sleeve. Okay? And if we wanted to turn this into a short sleeve, it would look like this. And that's very simple to do, because all you have to do is, say for example, we can measure 3 inches on the underarm. 1, 2, 3. Right? And we'll do the same thing on this side. Measure 3 inches. And then basically create a new sleeve. You can follow these dots, or you can just measure down 3 inches. So you would have something that looks like this, a short sleeve. Imagine just cutting it here, right? Cutting it right here, you have a short sleeve. Right now, imagine a short sleeve, and if we gather this fabric into, again, another version of a cuff, a small cuff, for example, maybe not 2 inches, maybe like 1 inch or so, right? You would gather this into a cuff to create something like this. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.